Ever tried making a money plan without tracking your cash flow? That's like setting out on a road trip with no map, and then wondering why you ended up at a gas station 3 towns over. Taylor Kovar, CFP and founder of 11 Financial, shares why the very first step in any financial plan is tracking your money, because you can't manage what you can't measure. Tip 1. Clarity first. Kovar reminds us that tracking spending isn't glamorous, but it's powerful. It's how we turn guesswork into strategy. Once you see where your dollars go, your goals, like retiring early or ditching your mortgage, actually become real targets, not pipe dreams. Tip 2. Match your style. If spreadsheets make you break out in hives, don't force it. Kovar suggests finding a method you'll actually use. Graphs, journals, even storytelling your money habits. As he puts it, I've seen people make incredible progress once they stop trying to follow someone else's path and start building a plan that works for their actual life. Tip 3. Break the emotional barrier. Money shame, guilt, fear, they hit everyone, regardless of income. According to Kovar, once you understand how you're wired, you can stop judging yourself and start making progress. That shift changes everything. Translation? The first step isn't about math, it's about mindset. So if you've been stuck at step 0, here's your fix. Track your money. Because once you know where you stand, your financial plan isn't a guessing game anymore. It's a way to chart a course to where you actually want to go. Got a money question? Head to GoBankingRates.com and ask away for a chance to win $500. Plus, your question could be answered by a top financial expert.